do you have to move this around? You don't know how to do it? I'm going to show you in this model how to do it step by step. So now I'm going to show you. So basically this is in the middle. This is going to be off. So if you want to control it from the base, in this case, you put it like that. If you want to control it from the arm, you put it like that. So in this case, I'm not going to try to turn it on, but if you want, just push it up and it will start. So once you start it, as you can see, it's running. And then if you want to use the arm, because usually they leave it up, what you have to do is push this down, this key down, and then with this you can do that, you see. So I'm going to turn it off so that way it will be easier for you to understand me. So basically you push this down and then you move this up and down or whatever you want, and that's it. So of course you have to open the door, but that's it. So you open, close it, do whatever you have to do, and that's it.